Okay. Okay. I love the ending. Okay, that was fantastic. You're very creative. I actually cannot do that. How did you do that? That is something. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, that is a very nice version of a song that I cannot do. And I think I will not get the guts to do that. But this Wonder Boy right here is actually very creative. Let's give him one more round of applause. But we're not yet done. We're not yet done. We will be having one more challenge, okay? Do you know how to act?
50-50.
50-50. Okay, we'll put you in that challenge. 50-50. I mean, I'm a very good actor. You know, that's okay.
Definitely.
Kidding aside, who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. Oh, Leonardo da Vinci. What's right? I know. Taylor Swift.
Wait, no. Taylor's is she? No, like an actor, like the one acting. I'm not sure, but maybe Taylor did some acting. But who's your favorite actor?
Daniel Radcliffe.
Daniel Radcliffe. Okay, like the Harry Potter thing.
Yes.
Okay. Who's your favorite singer and artist?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Okay, singer. Is Leonardo da Vinci singing?
Okay.
Okay.
Taylor Swift.
Okay, Taylor Swift. Okay. How about local singer?
Vanda.
Vanda. Okay. Vanda, if you're listening, maybe you can give this boy a chance. Okay. Anyway, let's do the acting part. Are you ready? Okay. We are going to copy this video clip and we will try our very best to have our own version. Okay? You ready for that?
Okay.
Okay, good. I told you to get out of here.
You did.
And why are you still here?
About what's going on
I
here.
told you to leave. I don't know why.
You said you don't know what's going on
Okay,
here.
sorry.
You don't know.
You don't know what's going on in here.
I don't.
Luffy, I need your help.
Of course I will. Of course I will. Of course I will.
That's so wonderful. You were so good, Shaingon. How did you do that? You're like a professional actor right there.
As they say, first of all, first time the charm. Definitely first time.
Oh my God, I got a new comment again from you, but that's so good. Okay. Now I'd like to ask before we wrap up this. I don't like to say goodbye to you, but every beginning comes to an end. So before we end this show, I'd like to check on you. Do you have other dreams right there that you'd like to achieve?
Actually, I do. Thank you for asking me.
Okay.
My dream is to pursue my passion through the arts and inspire people through my work. And I hope that I get an art exhibition someday and collaborate with other talented artists.
Oh my gosh, that's so wonderful. And I hope when you have that someday, don't forget us, don't forget AII, don't forget MJQE, invite us and we will definitely watch your show, okay? Is that a deal?
Deal.
Thank you again for being here, and this is a wonderful show. Interesting, guys. We have such a fantastic guest for today. I hope you learned a few bits from him because it's very important that we achieve and we go for our dreams like this Wonder Boy right here. We continue dreaming, we take action, and continue to be a blessing, everyone. This is again Jake, your host for this day. And see you again next time. Bye-bye. Bye. See you again.